Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about a better way to farm the scroll network airdrop. Now please note that farming the scroll network airdrop is not free and it will cost you some amount of ETH in order to go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now I will exactly tell you how much amount you will need in order to farm the scroll network airdrop, and please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. Now we all know that Scroll has introduced something called as scroll sessions, in which you will need to go ahead and collect marks. So marks are basically points on the scroll network. And if we go a bit down over here, as you can see, if you had spent a minimum of $5 worth of gas from October 10th of 2023 to April 20th of 2024 on the scroll network, you would be eligible for some marks over here. So as you can see, I had spent like close to 0.02 ETH on the scroll network in between this period, for which I got around 508 marks. Now to be honest, I haven't actually started farming this airdrop as of now, because I will exactly go ahead and show you the better way. Now if we talk about the scroll network airdrop, they have introduced something called as sessions over here, and currently there are two sessions which are live, which is session 0 and session 1. So it started with session 0, which was the first thing which was gas spent on the scroll network, and the second thing is bridge eligible assets. Now I made separate videos for this as to how you can go ahead and bridge different assets to a scroll network over here. So if you had used your official bridge at least once, then you would be getting some points over here or marks over here. Then basically you can go ahead and bridge your USDC, USDT from Ethereum mainnet to scroll mainnet over here. Then you also have the option of Stargate over here. Then this is Scalp DAO, where you will need to go ahead and stake your ETH, and then there is also this Lido staked ETH over here. So this W meaning these are the wrapped ones. So basically you will need to go ahead and stake, where you will get some sort of APR or APY, and then you will need to go ahead and wrap those. And along with that, then there is wrapped BTC, then there is solved BTC, then there is Takestone over here, assets on tranches and assets on pencil vaults. Now if we talk about the session 1 over here, they are focusing on lending and borrowing and also using the decentralized exchanges. Now if we talk about the lending and borrowing protocols, Aave is the number one, then followed by Row Markets. Now Row Markets is relatively a newer lending and borrowing protocol on the scroll network. And if we talk about the other protocols over here, there is Cock Finance, Compound, Layer Bank and Synonym. Now apart from that decentralized exchanges, you would be eligible for additional airdrops apart from the scroll airdrop. So if we go ahead and check this different decentralized exchange, there is Ambient Finance. Now Ambient Finance is going to do a airdrop, for which you will need to go ahead and trade and add liquidity pool on the Ambient network and collect something called as Ambi points. Now there is this Nuri exchange over here, then there is Izumi, Oku Trade, SingSwap and Zebra protocol. Now by interacting with all these decentralized exchange or DEX, you would be getting additional marks over here. Now I personally feel that for now the best one is assets on tranches, which will give you the highest number of marks over here because of the leveraged option that is available on tranches. Now before we move on to the better way of farming the scroll network airdrop, if you want to buy coins and token and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And apart from this, you would get access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now the better way to farm the scroll network airdrop is using layer 3 over here. Now layer 3 has 22 campaigns in total over here as of now, and as you can see, some of these campaigns are getting unlocked in few hours and some are getting unlocked in few days. Now if I click on any one of these campaign, for example this one, as you can see, for this campaign you will need to go ahead and stake minimum of 0.015 ETH. Now in total there are like around 22 campaigns, but I would suggest is at least have half a ETH ready with you guys in order to farm the scroll network airdrop in order to get a decent allocation. Now apart from this, there would be future opportunities for minting few NFTs and also buying some altcoins on the scroll network and also some meme coins here and there. Now the advantage of using layer 3 in order to farm the scroll airdrop is basically you would be eligible to mint these cubes over here and also potentially qualify for layer 3 airdrop. Now if we go to rewards over here, as you can see they have this airdrop campaign. Now airdrop campaign 1 is over. You had to have a minimum of 100 cubes minted in order to qualify for the airdrop season 1. Now currently they have this airdrop season 2 over here, where you will need to go ahead and mint these cubes over here. So there is mind cube, power cube and space cube. So in total you will need to go ahead and complete 30 quests over here in order to mint these cubes. Now once you have minted these cubes, then in the future you would be able to mint this NFT, which is Trident of Worlds, and this will help you qualify for the season 2 of layer 3 airdrop as well, which is ending in 12 days and 8 hours at the time of making this video. And if we talk about few quests over here, as you can see some of them are getting unlocked after 10 days. So I think there would be few additional quests where you would be able to do in order to get these cubes over here. So by using layer 3, this would be most probably a 2-in-1 airdrop, where you would be able to get marks as well on the scroll network and potentially qualify for the scroll network airdrop as well as this layer 3 airdrop. Now this is all for this video with regards to a better way in order to farm the scroll network airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.